Welcome to the 3Motional channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Adobe Camera Raw and exploring the exciting process of importing presets. If you're looking to enhance your photos with one-click adjustments and creative styles, you're in the right place. Join us as we unravel the step-by-step guide on how to import presets into Adobe Camera Raw, unlocking a world of possibilities for your editing workflow. Get ready to take your images to the next level. Let's jump right in. Locate the zip file containing the presets you want to import into Adobe Camera Raw. Extract the contents of the zip file to a folder on your computer. This will give you access to the individual preset files. Open Adobe Camera Raw by launching Photoshop and selecting File, Open in Camera Raw, or by using the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+A, Command-Shift+A on Mac. In Adobe Camera Raw, click on the Presets tab located on the right-hand side of the interface. At the top right corner of the Presets panel, click on the three-dot menu icon and choose Import Profiles Presets from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the folder where you extracted the preset files and Step 2. Select all the individual preset files, and click Import to import them into Adobe Camera Raw. Once imported, the presets will appear in the Presets panel under the User Presets section. To apply a preset to an image, simply click on the preset name in the Presets panel, and the adjustments will be applied to your photo. By following these steps, you can easily import and use presets from zip files in Adobe Camera Raw, giving you more creative options and saving you time in your editing workflow. Thank you for joining us on this journey of importing presets into Adobe Camera Raw. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and guidance on expanding your creative possibilities. Now, armed with the knowledge of importing presets, go ahead and unleash your editing prowess. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials and editing tips. Until next time, happy editing and farewell.